Next way to clean the bowl is...
Okay, so if you've got a really stubborn stain, what I do is before I ever use a lemon, I peel it, and I just keep little lemon peels in my freezer. It's really good just for so many things, but for today we're going to talk about using it to clean your bowl. Like, it's really good just to refresh your bowl, or if you have a stubborn stain, throw them in to your bowl. Let's do this one over here. So literally you just pop some in like that. Doesn't matter how many, just pop a couple in if you have any. Put a little bit of vinegar in, a bit of water, and then pop it on.
How much vinegar, how much water would you put?
I only put a dash of vinegar, and I just, depending on
white vinegar?
White vinegar.
And just pour.
Yep, just pour a little bit of a little bit in, and then just fill your bowl up. Depending how dirty your bowl is, just make sure you covered the dirty little part. You know, so it depends how far up the sides it is. But I do about a litre.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I know on the bowl there's little lines that says half litre, a litre.
I do about a litre
too. So you go to the 1 litre line.
Yep. Cool. And then pop it on for about 10 minutes, steaming temperature, speed 1. And then pour it out, and you should have a clean bowl. Any excess, once again, use your brush to get the little bits off.
So that's a lemon vinegar wash.